YouTube was happening. Your boy Turbo TV, man. I look crazy today. Let it be what it is. Man, I was outside playing with my son all day, so it is what it is. But it don't matter. As you see in the background, you see Hemilife44 over there. You see SayFoolLonzo in the garage. Yes, sir. So if he in the garage, you know that means he getting some work. But if you new, man, go subscribe, go follow. Go. Dang, tripping. Go like, go share, go comment, go do all that good stuff. If you returning family, welcome back. But yeah, so today we basically going over here. I'ma just show y'all. Let me just show y'all. So as y'all know, man, Hemilife44, he done pulled up. Watch y'all. This man ain't finna do no work. He ain't gonna do no work. Watch y'all. But yeah, this is Hemilife44. Y'all go follow, y'all go subscribe. Y'all should know the channel. He's on the back of his car, so don't get him confused. But we got SayFoolLonzo in the garage, so that means he getting work done. Y'all know that whole thing in here. Y'all make sure y'all go subscribe. Y'all make sure y'all go follow. And there the man is right there. Wait. Oh. Oh, man, wait a minute.
I didn't really know how this was gonna touch me, bro. But once I seen my name here, it hit home, bro.
Wait a minute.
Oh yeah, that's coming out.
Now I see Smurfette right there.
Yes, sir.
I ain't even tell him what we do. Anyway, y'all see it, man.
Yes, sir.
Y'all see it, man. So SayFoolLonzo got Sheba's old hood. He got the old hood, y'all.
A lot to me, man. You know, I'm gonna miss you, baby. You know, you got a new home. Take care of it, London.
Oh, I'm taking care of it, brother.
Yes, sir.
Yes, indeed.
Take care of it. Hemilife gonna be gone. You know what? I hope you can't get the Hemilife off all the way.
Oh, you come on, we're gonna get that shit off. We're gonna get it off.
So y'all, we here today, man, so we can get all of the red off of here because SayFoolLonzo is, man, he changing some stuff up. Let's just put it like that.
Big upgrade coming. We ain't tell y'all.
Yeah,
this ain't it.
This ain't it. This is a part of it, but this ain't it by far.
So we got Turbo TV.
Yes, sir.
I go subscribe to my brother. We got Hemilife44's. Hey, y'all subscribe to the channels, man. Folks, man, hit that like button and the notification bell. Y'all see what we got going on.
Yes,
y'all see what we got going on. Oh, y'all thought it was a game? Sheeba, a part of Sheeba, is on here.
Yeah,
yes,
we gotta keep history in the family, man.
Is it Turbo underscore? I mean Turbo space or
Nope,
Turbo underscore?
just Turbo TV.
One word. Okay, I was right first.
And then on Instagram is the one with the underscore.
Get that light out of my face. Let me get the
Turbo
other
color for y'all new the people that
So yeah, we getting this off. Okay, all the red is coming off. So we gotta get big time go to get the adhesive off. If y'all don't know, when you take wrap off, man, it leave adhesive. But at the same, no shots to nobody. This type of wrap though, I don't know how to describe it, man. This thing is like plastic, so I don't know, man. It leaves stuff differently. I don't know how to describe it. So man, we're playing with the heat gun to get all this stuff off. But yeah, y'all. Today is Monday, the 20th. I done talked to Jay the Rap Guy, and he say my car will be ready tomorrow. So no more of this shit in my garage. Mine will be back. What my car look like, bro? What my car? Don't say what it looked like.
Well, it got a lot of.
Boy, boy.
Hey,
Do it look nice?
I didn't see. I seen the base of it. I seen the.
So you didn't see the design
I
on
didn't see
it?
the design or none of it, but it looked. The base of it looked nice.
I seen the back.
The colors was.
What? So listen, y'all.
No,
Listen, y'all.
no.
We got all this off.
I'm pretty sure Hook's favorite number was 4, bro.
I got this off quick as hell.
On this damn corner.
So this thing Hemilife come and say this the new design.
I'm doing a giveaway on the phone, bro.
Yeah, hey, y'all go tune in to Hemilife44 channel, man. Soon enough, he doing a giveaway on the 44 that was on Sheba's
I'm
hood.
gonna randomly pick a subscriber, bro. And if the
Nope,
person that
pick
wins,
the 44th. Pick the 44th comment.
44th comment.
No, cause
if the person that wins is in the area, I'm gonna bring them to you, man.
don't do that, cause then people gonna be waiting.
Huh?
They gonna be counting comments. Up, wait, up,
Well,
up,
hey,
up.
Man, that hood look good, man. Man, it look dirty right now, but hey, it look good, though.
Yeah, SayFoolLonzo finna have his hands full. I'm taking it off. He gonna clean it.
Yeah, I'm gonna clean all this
Bro,
shit.
y'all know I'm a hooper.
Let me go and get to the
I ain't put this ball down since I've been
You
here.
got a towel or something I can...
Yeah.
I ain't put this ball down since I've been here.
So yeah, y'all, it is officially done. It's off. Like I say, SayFoolLonzo already done started the process.
Yeah.
Turn the light on for y'all can see.
Yeah, man.
Oh
God,
shit, it's
man.
still in there, boy.
Yeah, it's still in there, bro.
That nigga finna have one strong arm today.
Man.
And then we either gonna take this out and paint it or paint it while it's on there, but that will not be ready.
Sure the fuck will not. Shit.
It just makes no sense. So before y'all ask, it would be dumb as hell for him to do that. But I mean, once the hood is black, you know what I'm saying? He in that thing regardless. Yeah, we can get that covered up though. Yeah, he can't tell y'all why, but stripes is coming off.
Okay.
We gonna see if the stripe. Oh, SayFoolLonzo, you lucky. It don't go under there.
Good. There you go. I damn sure.
Yeah, you can see where it stopped.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna definitely hit him up.
Yeah, so y'all see the stripes don't go under
Yeah.
the spoiler from the factory, so as long as they easy to come off, then
Yeah, I
you can get that off.
I know it.
Yes, so we're gonna take these stripes off too. The Hulk is staying on the side, so y'all chill. Stripes up there coming off, stripes in the front coming off.
Bruh, it's going down.
Yeah, man. We finally finished with this thing. So I didn't tell y'all what all was happening, but now you know. Well, I think I did tell y'all. I don't remember shit. It's late. We done now. So, this is SayFoolLonzo car. It is the same car. Yes, it look 100% different, but that is on purpose and for a reason. So, as you see, his car is de-striped. It was stripes here. It was stripes here, here, down there behind the license plate, all of that. Up there at the top ones was the worst.
Man,
Them was the worst.
God damn.
Of course he had some on his hood, but he swapped the hood out, so he didn't have nothing today. They was here and down there too. But I mean, the car is, damn, it's almost done. It ain't 100% done yet. I forgot.
Yeah.
So we fucking with the vent. We getting the vent right now. Yeah, so that's all you get to see.
Yeah, that's all I can see.
But the car is, man, to me the car look way better, bro.
I like it, man. I like it.
Y'all not gonna notice him no more. Y'all really ain't gonna notice him after everything, but once we get this done, then I will get this camera back on y'all. So yeah.
Coming back. And most definitely, absolutely, positively, Hulk smash that like button, man. Hey, and I always remember this, man. No fears, no regrets. It's a future with a promise. 2020, man. You only got one life to live. Live it.
So y'all just caught SayFoolLonzo doing his ending of his video. Hey, yeah. But listen, so this is the hood from Sheeba, as y'all seen earlier. It is, listen, don't worry about it being dirty. It'll be clean soon. Don't worry about that. We had the clay board and all of that. It's gonna rain tomorrow, but ain't no point in trying to wash it and be all cute for the rain. But as y'all know, his scoop or his insert in his scoop was red at first. So that's Sheeba gone now. Sheeba gone. And now we got this all done. Yes, that's clear coat. That's why it's shining like that. So chill. But it's black now. Yes, SayFoolLonzo got a full black hood now. Yes, full. That nigga ain't got no stripes. No stripes. All stripes gone.
Took it out.
Hulk smash on the wheels.
Yes, indeed.
Hulk edition. We gonna get them Hemis off of there too. He just don't know it yet, but we taking them Hemis off. It's gonna be just Hulk. SayFoolLonzo stayed on the window. The Hulk edition is still on the car. The YouTube is still on the car. The No Limits is still on the car. The Mopar is still on the car. Everything else is still here. The all the light stuff is still here. All of that's good. Everything else is gone. It's all for preparation, man. So don't ask what's happening. Don't ask what's next. Don't ask it. Yeah, you can ask that. You guys ain't gone. Yeah,
I
exactly.
ain't tell you nothing. Y'all gotta watch.
Exactly. So don't ask me. Ask him. Don't ask me nothing. Because I don't know nothing that I'm going to tell. I know what I want to, but I ain't telling nothing that I don't want to tell. Yeah, man, this is officially a wrap today. That's weird that we took off some rap to say it's a wrap. It don't matter, man. Take it how it come, you know what I'm saying?
Subscribe to both channels, man.
Yes, sir.
All the way up, man.
He trying to beat me to the gun, man. Listen, now this whole video got to do with SayFoolLonzo. If you just sat here and watched this whole video, it's a short video, then what is the reason for you not to go subscribe?
Subscribe to the channel, man.
You are clearly following his build on my channel, his channel, Hemilife channel. It don't matter. Go follow bro's page, man. And really go follow his page, man. On everything I love. Bro, we in the same area when it comes to subscribers, man. We trying to come eat. We trying to go take over some other people's stuff.
Yes, indeed, man.
I don't care. I don't care who don't like it.
You heard the man.
We coming for people. You get what I'm saying? When y'all go to his page, though, man, make sure y'all do hit that bell notification. Hit the word that says all. Don't just hit the bell. Hulk smash it. Hulk smash the button.
Then you in tune with the in tune. Yes, indeed.
Yes, sir. Make sure y'all do that, man. If you ain't did it on my page, I don't know why you lacking. Get it done. But, yeah, y'all make sure y'all comment on his video. Of course, you're seeing this after you see his, so just go comment on his, too. But, yeah, man, I am done. I am gone. It's late. He hungry. I'm good. I really want to drink, but I'm picking up my car tomorrow. So I guess the nigga just up because I ain't finna get no sleep. I am excited. Anyway, I'm gone, man. Y'all be good. Y'all be safe out there, man. Quit doing stupid stuff when it comes to this virus that's out here in these streets, man. If they tell you wear a mask, wear a mask. I know you can't breathe in it, and you look crazy. That's fine. Put your mask on. Go to work if you can. Man, think about later. Think about what's after this whole lockdown, man. You still got to do for your family. Anywho, I'm going to holler at y'all. I am gone.